Idrivesafety, Australia's only comprehensive, research and evidence-backed structured driver education system. The problem is teens are not taught a safe process for every road user interaction. Instructors don't have a curriculum and receive only 2 hours training. Instruction provides tips and tricks to pass a test that does not train an ability, and you can pass the test and have no interaction with any road user. The instructional system is ineffective, not a human's ability to learn to drive safety. Idrivesafety structured driver education system research and evidence-based is founded in a globally developed curriculum, offering comprehensive education and support to teens and their parents. Every question, road rule and process is trained and answered with what, how, why, where, what if and when for every interaction. You do not need to imagine, is there? A driver education system that provides real driver education. The solution is Idrivesafety. Australia's highest trained coaches deliver the training as a graduated education system over 30 sessions. Optional Platinum Plus program that manages the entire journey. The education is delivered as a graduated education system and in a world-leading copyright curriculum. The first 5 sets up the foundations of driving whilst creating an active participant environment. Modules 3, 4 car controls and steering options. What really works and what's legal. Modules 5, 51 and 52, road rules, what's new and what everyone thinks they know, but evidence shows they don't. But you will. Modules 6, 7, communication and speed choices, an ability to identify and choose safety, not necessarily limit. Modules 9, 11 and 20, real reverse parking, reversing and low speed maneuvers, learn it early and it's there for life. Modules 12, 25, position on road and continuous partial assessment. A significant foundation in safety. Even if others are not, you will be. A safe, learnable process for each road user interaction is the foundation of a safe driver. Anxiety risk-taking are a learning style, not a disabler. Competent makes a driver safe, not confident. Distraction is manageable and trained in the curriculum Module 50. Learning to continuously partially assess is a key, as is developing patience so you don't become a patient. 5-star drivers in a 1-star car on a 1-star road are safer than 1-star drivers in a 5-star car on a 5-star road. You don't know what you don't know, and humans don't self-teach what they don't know or were never taught. The instruction testing and GLS systems have shown in global research to be a crash causation for teen drivers. Telling is not teaching. Billboards and road safety campaigns after you're licensed are not a replacement for education. Remember, teens pass a test that does not require any interaction with another road user to pass, and the instructional system has no structure or standardized curriculum. Idrivesafety coaches are Australia's highest trained, with an ability to identify each client's learning style and seamlessly change the delivery methodology so each client can transfer theory into an action. They educate, not instruct, creating independent, safe drivers even when others don't. The results are literally life-changing. Would like your teen to learn to drive safety and don't believe a roadside billboard, an advert or a road safety blitz will make them safe drivers after they are licensed? Then here is a real choice. You can give them the ability to drive safety, even when others don't.